Hello and welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox our new KoolMore freezer. This will be the new freezer for the truck. It's actually bigger than our other freezer. And a handful of times we ran out of ice cream and we saw some disappointed people. So hopefully we won't disappoint anybody this year because this will have more product. It will have more product in here and we'll be able to keep more people happy. And that's what we're all about, keeping people happy. Got some plywood. Lots of styrofoam. Gotta love styrofoam. More styrofoam. We'll edit this part out. The magic of editing will save the day. Okay, after a full body workout, we got our new freezer unboxed. I will get the wheels taken off so I mount it to the stand here. I hope this will be its permanent home for many, many years. Come visit us in the near future. We will be at the Avon, Plainfield, and Brownsburg farmers markets, along with Food Truck Fridays. We will have plenty of ice cream and sorbets. We will have floats, sundaes, all kinds of good stuff. So come on down and enjoy some ice cream. All right, thank you all for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.